The orthocentre of a triangle is the intersection of the three altitudes of a triangle. Now the altitudes are the perpendicular heights. So let's construct the orthocentre of this triangle. So we want to draw a line from this point perpendicular to this side here. So we want to draw this line here. So that was covered in a previous video, how to draw a perpendicular line from a point to a given line. Let's go through that again. What we do is we put the compass point at this end point of this side and extend it to this point here. Now put the compass point at the other end point and extend the compass to this point here, and we note the intersection of these two circles. I'll just move this triangle so that the picture fits on the screen. Now in some cases the perpendicular height is not inside the triangle. Like if the triangle looks like this, then we would have to extend this side before we can draw down the perpendicular height. I won't do that now. I'll just show a perpendicular height that's inside the triangle. So we note the points of intersection of the two circles. Well, one point is of course the point we're interested in. Here's the other point. We know that this line will be perpendicular to this side. So this line is one of the altitudes of the triangle. Of course the altitude could be outside the triangle, as I explained earlier. Next we get another altitude. So let's get the perpendicular height or altitude of this point to this side here. So we get the compass and the compass point here, extend compass to this distance, then center it at the other end point. Just resize this here. So we get the points of intersection of these two circles, and we draw in this second altitude. So now we have two altitudes. The intersection of the two altitudes is called the orthocentre. We don't need to draw in the third one because it's a fact that the three altitudes are concurrent. They intersect at one point. I'll just draw it in anyway. So we need this other altitude. So we want the perpendicular distance of this point to this line here. So just like before, we intersect these two circles, and as you can see the three altitudes are concurrent.